Subcon for us is a show that we do year on year. It provides us with a good platform to come to one show and essentially see both prospects and customers that will be relevant to what we do. MIE Solutions provides ERP, MRP and shop floor data capture solutions which are designed specifically for engineering companies and manufacturers. So we deal with both subcontractors but also companies that manufacture their own product from start to finish. We're here to promote our ERP platform which is called MyTrack Pro. And we are offering tailored demonstrations for prospective customers and clients. Alongside that, we do offer a range of shop floor data capture options. So for those that require that feedback from the shop floor, there are a number of options that we can provide, again, all of which are available via demonstrations. There's probably two main benefits you'd get from an ERP system. The first of which is once the data has been entered into the system, there's no double entry. So once you get it in, it filters all the way through the system. And naturally that removes things such as human error, but also makes the end-to-end process more efficient. The other benefit is that our system is designed to give businesses end-to-end visibility as to how their business is actually performing, whether that's sales-related data, production-related data, or even expenditure-related data. So for us, the show has been really good. I would say there are shows out there that possibly provide more footfall, but the reason we come back to this one is the quality of leads and the quality of people that we generally speak to.